game listening to the beginning sounds of words. Remember, the beginning sound of a word is the first sound you hear. Here we have a cow. Say cow. Now let's stretch it out and listen to the beginning sound. K, k, cow. Cow begins with the k sound. Now let's compare the words cow and car and see if they begin with the same sound. If they begin with the same sound, we're going to touch our nose like this boy in the picture. If they do not begin with the same sound, we're going to touch our head like the boy in this picture. Are you ready? Let's go. Say cow. Stretch it out. K, k, cow. Cow begins with a k sound. Now say the word car. Stretch it out. K, k, car. Car begins with a k sound. So cow and car begin with the same sound. So then you would touch your nose. Now let's look at these pictures. Say the word cow. Stretch it out. K, k, cow. Cow begins with a k sound. Say the word turtle. Stretch it out. T, t, turtle. Turtle begins with a t sound. So cow and turtle do not begin with the same sound. So then you would touch your head. Like this boy in the picture, because they do not begin with the same sound. Let's play. Say the word globe. Stretch it out. Gl, gl, globe. Say it with me. Gl, gl, globe. Globe begins with a gl. Say the word glass. Stretch it out. Gl, gl, glass. Say it with me. Gl, gl, glass. Glass begins with a gl sound. So do the words globe and glass begin with the same sound? Touch your nose. That's right. Globe and glass both begin with gl. Say the word hen. Stretch it out. Hen. Say it with me. Hen. Hen begins with a sound. Say the word hay. Stretch it out. Hay. Do it with me. Hay. Hay begins with a sound. Do the words hay and hen both begin with the same sound? Touch your nose. You're right. Hay and hen both begin with Say the word ice. Stretch it out. Ice. Say it with me. Ice. Ice begins with a I sound. Say the word mat. Stretch it out. Mat. Say it with me. Mat. Mat begins with a sound. So do the words ice and mat Both begin with the same sound. Touch your head. They do not begin with the same sound. Ice and mat begin with different sounds. Say the word match. Stretch it out. Match. Say it with me. Match. Match begins with a sound. Say the word map. Stretch it out. Map. Say it with me. Map. Map begins with a sound. Do the words match and map begin with the same sound? That's right. Touch your nose because match and map begin with Say the word peanut. Stretch it out. Peanut. Say it with me. Peanut. Peanut begins with a p sound. Say the word when. Stretch it out. When. Say it with me. When. When begins with a w sound. Do the words peanut and when begin with the same sound? Touch your head. That's right. Peanut and when do not begin with the same sound. They begin with different sounds. Nice work listening to the beginning sounds of words. Give yourself a round of applause.